Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about knife storage. So this is a utensil drawer in my van, and I've got these knives that I like to keep in here, and as you can see right now they take up almost half of the space. So I want to explore, is there any better way to store these so that they're not rattling around, and also so that the sharp edges aren't exposed? Now this is obviously one way you could solve that latter problem of having the sharp edges stored safely by getting these sort of plastic guards. But I don't have enough of them, and also I'd like to see if there's just a better, elegant way to do this. So my solution is actually really darn simple. I just catted up a series of these stands. So I made a tip, middle, and base stand to hold the knife. So this is the tip stand, which keeps the point of the knife covered. I've got similar stands to hold the middle and base of the knife as well. So now we run over to the 3D printer and print them out. Each of these stands used approximately 15 grams of filament and took around 2 hours to print. So combining material and electricity costs, this comes out to about 20 cents per set. Since I've got 5 knives, this only cost me $1 to make all of the knife holders. Alright, here they are installed. Doesn't this look so much nicer? And it's so easy too now. All you gotta do is just grab a knife, pull out the one you want, and then when you're done, just stick the tip in and just drop it down, and they're all sitting pretty inside the drawer. I mean, I'm so tickled pink with how well this turned out that I think we should keep this organization train going, and let's see if we can do something about the utensils. So maybe we need to come up with some scheme to organize utensils on this side of the drawer. So it's back to Fusion 360 to design a utensil holder. So this has 4 compartments for spoons, forks, butter knives, and miscellaneous items like straws and chopsticks. So again, I made it using multiple parts, in this case a front and a back, and this is actually the front part which holds the tips of the utensils. Now, I'm trying to optimize / maximize the usage of space in the van, so I also made this elevated so longer kitchen tools can fit underneath the utensil holder. So it's time to run back to the 3D printer, and I'm printing out the front part of the utensil holder here. So this is actually a fairly large part that took over 18 hours and 138 grams of material. The rear part took 12 hours and 93 grams, so in total the printer was running for over a day, and the entire utensil holder assembly cost a little over $4. Alright, so here's the utensil holder installed. We got the tip and the base part. So let's go ahead and load this guy up. So I'll grab some spoons, drop them in. That fits nicely. How about a bunch of forks? Let's put them in the next slot. And again, look at that. That fits perfectly. And now how about some knives? We'll drop in the butter knives in their designated location. And there you go, that looks nice. How about some random assorted straws or chopsticks or random things like that? There we go. Now, the other nice thing, like we said, that this utensil holder features is that it's elevated. So let's say you've got some extra long kitchen tools like these scoops or things like that. Well, this takes up a ton of space. Well, what we can do now is actually slide these underneath the main utensil holder. So look at this. They all go in nicely and then fit underneath the existing utensil holder so it doesn't take up too much space. And now you can just go ahead and shut the entire thing, and away it fits nicely. So I'm very happy with how the utensil drawer organization worked out. If you'd like to print any of these parts for yourself, I've posted all the necessary files on my Thingiverse page here and here. This also includes editable CAD files in case you'd like to modify any of these parts. So I'll leave a link to these pages in the description of this video. So with that being said, I think this is a great place to leave it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, I also hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Surprisingly, if you just scroll down a little ways and click on that subscribe button, it really does help me continue making these videos. And I hope to have more videos on van conversion and 3D printing useful objects in the future, and I hope to catch you at one of these future discussions. So until we talk again, I think I'll sign off for now. Bye!